Hello everybody, my name is Markiplier and welcome back to Let's Play. The Saint. Let's not do that one.
Wait, watch this. So skinny? I love it. Those two are right next to each other in the list.
God damn, okay. Well then.
So yeah, you're a spearmaster now. You can see the little white specks in your butt. Hold the pickup button.
Stabbing time. That was the wrong button. Oh my god.
Here. Oh.
Position properly. And
Nice.
easy.
And then you can also grow a spear and stab the pole plant.
Get fucked.
And that goes to the food pit. Yeah. Here,
Hello, my name is Spearmaster.
I give you food. Have the food.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, buddy. I mean, that's...
Oh! That was not a good time to frame drop, game. Just straight up looks like a bone spear that I'm carrying or something.
I'm pretty sure it is.
What in the dead space fuck?
Well, they are biologic. You don't get food from using those spears, because if you actually pay attention, the spears that are like freshly grown, which unfortunately now that I've got this one, you can't use this one to get food. The ones that are like freshly grown have this little like tendril connecting it to you.
Yeah, I saw that earlier. Damn! What happened to my novelty clock, bitch?
I impaled him.
Haha. Rip. Imagine. Lamau.
Imagine getting fucking speared.
Lamau.
The neat thing is, you actually do end up giving us. What the fuck is going on?
What was that? I'm sorry, game.
No, I'm the crack cat. You're the fucking spear.
Meet the sniper.
It's just a sniper getting this shit beaten out of him by a lizard.
Sniping's a good job, mate. Also, get rid of this brick. Sorry.
Ow! Eh. Uh-oh. Mind if I yoink one of those just in case?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, grow another. That spirit right in the fucking face. You might need a spirit soon too. Oh. Again. I didn't mean to throw that at you. Get fucked.
I think he's
It's
dead.
Yeah, it's dead. We fucked
Easy
it up.
claps, easy claps.
You have one of the strongest throws in the entire game.
Oh my god, that is awesome.
The only one that's stronger than you is Cormon.
Oh right, fucking drop kick that he can do. Or
No,
fucking...
he throws spears like they're a fucking railgun, but he can only throw like once before getting tired, and then needs to like wait a second before throwing another one.
No way, spear rail cannon real.